Today, I'm going to teach you how to password protect OneNote. This is a great way to secure your sensitive notes, personal information, or confidential work documents from unauthorized access. Let's walk through the process step by step. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Make sure you're viewing the specific notebook that contains the sections you want to protect. It's important to note that password protection in OneNote works on a section-by-section basis, so you'll need to apply it to each section you want to secure individually. Once your notebook has been loaded, look towards the top part of your screen where your menu and tools are located. Here you'll find the Review tab. Click on it and you'll see several tools and functions appear. This tab contains all the security and collaboration features that OneNote offers, making it your go-to place for managing access and protection settings. From the Review tab, locate and click on the password icon. This will trigger a right-side menu to appear on your screen. In this menu, you'll see the option to set password. Click on this button and a small window will pop up, prompting you to enter your desired password. You'll need to type your password once in the first field and then confirm it by typing it again in the second field. This double entry system helps ensure you don't accidentally mistype your password. Before you proceed, take a moment to read the important disclaimer displayed below the password fields. This notice tells you that if you lose or forget your password, OneNote cannot recover your data. This is a critical security feature, but it also means you need to be absolutely certain you'll remember your password or have it stored securely somewhere else. Microsoft cannot help you reset or recover it if it's lost. Once you've read and understood this disclaimer and you're ready to proceed, click on OK. And there you have it. Your OneNote section is now password protected. Whenever you or anyone else tries to access this section, they'll need to enter the password you just created. This gives you peace of mind knowing your sensitive information is secure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.